Now ní Orile-Agege mo ti ṣe investigation mi o àwọn tí wọ́n sponsor protest wọ́n ní kí n sọ fún wọn pé tó bá dá wọn lójú kó nìṣó ní orí pápá kó lọ ṣe rerun either direct or indirect primary káwá wo ẹni tí ó máa tó popular jù ní inú Agege.
Then let us go to that election. Our when to lero jù we accept that challenge. We accept it.
Gbogbo ọ̀nà tó wà ní Agege ní ọjọ́ èní right Hon.Akinwunmi Obasa òun ló ṣe major roads including Agege Pen Cinema Bridge. Wọ́n ní kí n sọ fún anybody pé tó bá lóun lòun ṣe ọ̀nà ní inú Agege kó ní tòun bọ́ta kó gbé prove ẹ̀ wá bóun lòun ṣe.
Ẹni pé Obasa ṣe bridge. Ṣé owó bàbá títí ẹ̀ ló fi ṣe bridge? Is it even the responsibility of the House of Assembly to construct bridge? And you are saying that very easy for you to mislead people. Like I said, àwọn adìyẹ tó ń kó kiri náà ni wọ́n lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ fún. Kì í ṣe irú àwa tí a kàwé. Because it is not the responsibility of the speaker láti ṣe bridge. Even if he facilitated it, there are people who move the motion, who genuinely love the people. Tí wọ́n move motion. It was Governor Ambode, the executive arm of the state. Ló máa ń ṣe irú àwọn nǹkan báyẹn, kò ń ṣe speaker. So that information can only go for àwọn illiterate. Kì í ṣe irú àwa.
Honorable Yinka Ogundimu, Honorable Adejare àti Dr. Káyọ̀dé Ọpẹ́fà wọ́n kọ orúkọ wọn sí inú bánà pé àwọn ni sponsor protest Obasa tó gẹ́. Wọ́n ní sọ fún wọn pé 12 years tí Honorable Yinka Adejare tí Honorable Yinka Ogundimu tó ṣe ní inú assembly kí ló ṣe sí Agege. Ìgbà tí ò rí tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì gbà wọ́n ló lọ ni wọn gbúrú ẹ̀ mọ́ until now. Same pẹ̀lú Honorable Adejare ní National Assembly wọ́n ní gbogbo ọdún tó lò ní inú National Assembly toothpick tó kéré jù wọ́n ní kò mú wálé kò dẹ̀ fún anybody ní iṣẹ́ wọ́n ní kí n challenge wọn kí wọ́n bọ́ta kí wọ́n kó proof wá pé nǹkan báyìí làwọn gbé ṣe ní inú Agege.
Ẹ sọ pé kí ni Ogundimu ṣe, kí ni Adejare ṣe, kí ni Ọpẹ́fà ṣe. These are people who live among the community. These are people tí wọ́n ń serve àwọn èèyàn. For your information, Ogundimu, even after 2 years that he has left the House of Assembly, I did not come here to hold anybody's brief. But onítọ́mọdé ò bá bá ìtàn á bá àrọ́bá yẹn ni a sọ fún yín ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin ò tẹ̀sí ńlé náà ṣùgbọ́n bí ò ṣojú yín à á sọ bó ṣe jẹ́ fún yín. Ogundimu, after 2 years he has left the House of Assembly, he is still relevant in the community. And as a matter of fact, perhaps you do not know, I also intend to contest for the chairman of Orile-Agege. And when Ogundimu also showed intention to contest, I had to stand up for him because mo mọ̀ wípé yes, ẹni ayé ń fẹ́ ni wọ́n. I know that he is a people person and I know that he asks more formidable structure. All the people tí ó wà lọ́dọ̀ Obasa tẹ́ ń pè yìí, they are people from unique na they are from people from Ogundimu's camp. Who are the people that are loyal to him? Àwọn alátẹnujẹ, àwọn aṣáájẹun tẹ́bi ń pa káàkiri. Ṣé báwọn náà lọ tẹ̀lé lọ́wọ́ sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀? There are so many people Honorable Ogundimu have assisted. Àwọn ọmọ Agege tó ti ràn lọ́wọ́, tó ti wà nínú iṣẹ́ káàkiri. These are what these people have done. Adejare, there are so many empowerment Honorable Adejare has done nínú Agege. Àìmọye tá a lè kà 50,000 nígbà tó wó níyì lọ́wọ́ fún àwọn èèyàn ní 50,000 tí wọ́n fi kún owó iṣẹ́ wọn. Àìmọye machine tí wọ́n rà fáwọn èèyàn láti fi ṣiṣẹ́. And those are the people you want to castigate. You are talking about Ọpẹ́fà. Ọpẹ́fà is a people development person. He's a human capital development person. Ọpẹ́fà does not give people tokens. 5,000 to 2,000 he doesn't give people. Rather what he does for people. Tó bá ní oore ọ̀fẹ́, á gba àwọn èèyàn, á fún wọn ní iṣẹ́. If he has any reason to help anybody, he help them substantially. Táwọn náà máa fi lè dá dúró láti ran àwọn èèyàn tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn lọ́wọ́. I challenge you, sir. Ẹni mélòó ni Obasa yín ti ràn lọ́wọ́ nínú Agege? Àfàwọn adìyẹ tó ń kó káàkiri.
Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní tó bá rú yín lójú kẹjẹ́ kí wọ́n lọ fún rerun either direct or indirect primaries.
And you are challenging us to a rerun. We are ready for that rerun. If consensus candidate cannot work, if we cannot sit down to agree that Baamofin then let us go to that election. We accept that challenge. We accept it.